Your lack of money is not a skill problem. It's a focus problem. Two people can work 8 hours a day. One stays broke. One builds income. The difference, not talent, not luck, not even hard work. It's where their attention goes. Right now, someone is turning their focus into money, and someone else is turning their focus into scrolling. Today, I'm going to show you the psychological trick that converts focus into income. And once you understand it, you won't see productivity the same way again. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your brain leaks money every day. The one mental switch that changes that. And a simple 5-step daily system to turn focus into real income. No motivation talk, just psychology, neuroscience, and practical action. Your brain loves dopamine. Dopamine is the reward chemical. When you scroll, when you check messages, when you switch apps, tiny dopamine hits. But here's the problem. Your brain cannot tell the difference between earning money and checking notifications. Both feel like reward, so it chooses the easier one. That's why you feel busy, but not richer. Now here's something powerful. Inside your brain is a filter called the reticular activating system. It decides what you notice. If you think about buying a red car, suddenly you see red cars everywhere. If you constantly think about problems, you see problems everywhere. If you train it to focus on money-producing actions, it starts spotting opportunities. Focus is not just attention, it's a filter, and right now, most people's filters are broken. Why most people stay stuck? Let's kill a myth. Multitasking does not make you productive. Every time you switch tasks, your brain burns energy. It takes time to refocus. That's called context switching, and it destroys deep value creation. Money is created in deep work, not shallow activity. Answering emails? Necessary. Scrolling? Easy. Planning content? Valuable. Learning a high-income skill? Powerful. But your brain avoids hard focus, because hard focus is uncomfortable. This is the real fight. Comfort versus growth. Most people live in reaction mode. Notifications control them. Messages control them. Other people's priorities control them. And reaction mode never builds wealth. Creation mode does. But how do you enter creation mode consistently? Here's the trick, the psychology trick. The trick is this. You don't try to focus harder. You change what your brain believes gets rewarded. Let me explain simply. Your brain repeats what feels important. So if your identity is, I'm someone who checks everything, your brain protects that. But if your identity becomes, I protect my attention because it makes me money, everything changes. Focus becomes valuable. Now here's the monetized attention loop. Attention to skill, to value, to income, to confidence, to stronger focus. It compounds. The more focused time you put into one skill, the more valuable you become. The more valuable you become, the more income you can create. And your brain starts associating focus with reward. Now, focus feels powerful, not painful. The 5-step practical system. Here's what you do. Simple, clear, no confusion. Step 1, pick one money skill, not 5. 1, design, coding, sales, writing, editing, marketing, one skill. Step 2, 90-minute deep block. Every day phone away, notifications off, door closed, 90 minutes. Your brain needs uninterrupted time to build neural pathways. Neural pathways are like roads. The more you use them, the stronger they become. Step 3, remove dopamine leaks. No social media before deep work. No random YouTube. No checking messages. Protect your brain energy. Step 4, track output, not time. Don't say, I worked 3 hours. Say, I created 2 designs. I wrote 1 script. I sent 5 proposals. Money responds to output. Step 5, weekly skill upgrade. Every week, improve your skill 1%. Learn something new. Practice something harder. Push slightly beyond comfort. That's compounding. Now here's the spiritual layer. Your attention is life energy. Where focus goes, energy flows. If your focus is scattered, your life becomes scattered. If your focus is controlled, your life becomes directed. This is not just productivity, it's alignment. When your brain, energy, and actions point in one direction, income becomes a byproduct. The identity shift. This is the turning point. You stop saying, I need to focus more, and start saying, I am someone who protects attention. Money follows identity. If you identify as distracted, you'll stay distracted. If you identify as disciplined, your brain searches for disciplined actions. Your brain wants consistency between belief and behavior. So give it a stronger identity. I am building valuable skill daily. Repeat it, live it, prove it through action. Focus is not about forcing yourself. It's about deciding who you are. Here's the truth. In the modern world, attention is currency. Companies fight for it. Apps fight for it. Algorithms fight for it. If you don't control your focus, someone else will monetize it. But if you protect it, if you direct it, if you train it, you turn time into skill, skill into value, value into income. The psychology trick isn't magic. It's alignment. Focus becomes money when it's protected, it's repeated, it's attached to skill, and it's backed by identity. So tomorrow morning, don't just wake up. Decide what your brain gets paid to notice, because that decision is where wealth actually begins. And if you're serious about protecting your focus, your morning is where it begins.
You know what I adore, never cared about no ring. We smile in the moonlight now, just hand in hand. Hearts never been this happy, yeah, when it nearly ran. tables flipped and spun. Holiday still got time. I'ma we drinks with Dan. We got things as planned, and we do this daily. You know we're locked in, man. And we do this daily, yeah, following that bigger plan.